Hey guys, welcome back to Bolly Piano. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at verse number 2 for kal-ho-naa-ho. I'd just like to clarify that I'm playing the heartbeat version of kal-ho-naa-ho because there are some differences between the original version and this heartbeat piano-friendly version. Okay, so let me just demonstrate this part and then I'll break it down. 5, 6, 7, and okay, let's break this down by looking at each hand individually, starting with the right hand. So just bear in mind that every note in this scale is sharped. So if I say B, then automatically think B sharp. And if I say C, then automatically think C sharp. Unless I point out that, okay, this is not supposed to be sharped. Okay? All right. Let's give it a shot. So the first 2 bars goes like this. So that's B, C, D, G, G, F, E, F, G. Okay, one more time. The next set of notes are exactly identical, besides the very last note, which is us playing an A sharp instead of a G sharp. So it will go like this. Okay, so let me just put these two together. 5, 6, 7, and... Now we have some connector notes that lead us nicely to the next sequence, and that goes like this. One more time. So that's E, D, C, G, and then B and D. Again, don't get confused by if I say E and I'm playing F, and you know that it's an F on the keyboard, it's because I'm actually playing an E sharp. Okay? All right. Then from there, we go into okay, so that's B, C, F, E, D, D, C, B. Okay, so we're kind of just, making a circle around this keyboard with our fingers. 5, 6, 7, and... And we repeat that one more time. Then from there, we have the following sequence. So that goes B, C, F, G, E, D, E, D, C, A. One more time. And we finish that off with, so that's B, C, A, G. Okay, So putting that together, it goes. Before we head back into the chorus, which we've already covered, but let's cover it again. So the end is a little bit different from how I played it in my first video, as I now play those last couple of notes an octave apart just for emphasis. So okay, so let me just play it again from the midsection to the end of the chorus one more time. 5, 6, 7, and. Okay, now that we've covered the right hand, let's look into the left hand. The left hand is playing chords most of the time, just because there's already so much going on in the right hand. It just makes sense to have the left hand a bit more calm. So starting off with the very first bar again, which went like this. In the first half, we're playing G sharp major, and then we switch to playing D sharp minor. So it will go like this. Then we switch to D sharp minor. So playing that with the right hand, it would sound like this. Okay, and then we're repeating the G sharp again for the second time. But this time, we're actually going to be switching to playing F sharp major. And then before playing the connecting notes, we're going to be pressing down on C sharp. And then we play those connecting notes. So one more time from the top. G sharp. That was D sharp minor. Then switching back to G sharp again. F sharp. Then C sharp. Okay, now we go back into playing G sharp, but this time we're actually going to be playing 4 notes at once. So that's going to be G sharp, B sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. Okay, so again from the connecting notes. Okay, then we go back into D sharp minor. Okay, then we switch one more time back to G sharp. Again, playing 4 notes. Then F sharp. Then C sharp. Okay, so there's quite a bit of chord changes, but it's always either G sharp, D sharp minor, F sharp, or C sharp. And it usually does follow a pattern. Okay, now I decided to have a bit of variation in the left hand, just because I heard it in the original. When I say original, I mean the heartbeat version. So the left hand, when we enter the chorus, we are playing the left hand like this. So we start off by playing the F sharp major chord, but immediately after that, the right hand is actually just going to play a nice soothing riff just to fill up the empty space. just like this. So one more time. And then we move on to C sharp. Okay, so let's just try those two bars again. We have I recommend actually playing the G sharp with your fifth finger so that you have your first and third finger free to play that riff. So again, from the first one, it goes then fifth. And while you're playing that riff, just hold down the G sharp with your fifth finger. So okay, and then we have F sharp, then G sharp minor, then C sharp, and then an inversion of C sharp, which would be okay. So quite a bit to cover there, but it sounds very beautiful, and the more you practice it, the more beautiful it will sound. So hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where I'll be covering the instrumental bit. See you guys soon.